when you think about this business model, you're doing pickup and delivery, and you're also doing commercial accounts right now. What are kind of like one or two key things that you have to do right? That you cannot miss. You have to do these things right to make it work. Obviously one of them was we talked about like you have to have a system. Like you have to have
Yeah.
a software system that is helping drive your business that way. But what's
Yes.
something else that you just really got to nail?
I think it's customer service. Like customer service for us is everything. Like I said, if because our clients don't see us every day or most days because they don't come into our shop to bring their stuff, when they do see us, we need to make sure that we are, representing in a positive way. And whenever they need to connect with us, we need to make sure that that's easy for them. Whether that's a phone call and one of my employees answers the phone, or whether that is them sending us an email message and we're responding to that email message within 15 minutes. Or if they're sending us a text message and we are responding to that text message immediately. Whenever they reach out to us, it's something serious, right? And we need to address that because we're already invisible to them. And so anything that we can do when it's time to be customer facing, we need to excel in that.
Well, yeah, and at the end of the day, no matter what business you're in, customer service is going to be the thing that will differentiate you for the long haul, right? No matter how many other players are coming in, no
Yeah,
matter how big the companies are that come in, if you can excel at customer service, people will
uh-huh.
still choose you. They will still choose you.
Absolutely.
And I've got a story like non-laundry related, but I've got lots of non-laundry related stories. Um, I, with my wife and I, bought a treadmill a long time ago, 2010
Uh-huh.
probably. Who knows? It was been a long time ago, and we actually used it. It did not become a closet hanger or anything like that. We used it for years and years and years. And one day we're like, crap, it like something's up. Like the deck is broken, something's going on. And so we call, like we're looking at the treadmill, and we left the sticker on from when we first bought it, and it said, lifetime warranty. We're like, yeah, right, okay, no way, no way. It's been like 10 or 12 years since we bought this thing. But we just called the number. And we're like, hey, the decking broke on this, and like we don't know like what this says lifetime warranty. Is that real? No joke. They're like, yeah, what's your address? Um, we can have somebody send you a new treadmill next week. You just got to be there to like sign for it, and we'll take the
Uh-huh.
other one away and get rid of it for you. I was like, well, okay, but like how
What?
much? Yeah, I'm like, how much? And they're like, no, that's it. That's the warranty. So we now have the second treadmill that we use.
Yeah.
I think the deck's about to break again, but they fulfilled, right? They
Wow.
excellent service, like way above and beyond. There's no
Yes.
way that they had to do that, and that cannot be, a good thing for them to see on their bottom line. Except,
Uh-huh.
guess what brand I'm always going to buy now? That
Uh-huh.
brand,
Uh-huh.
always, and I'm going to tell
Absolutely.
everybody that story 100,000 times. So here we are.
Well,
Good customer service always wins.
someone told me that an angry customer will tell 10 people that their
Yeah.
experience was bad, but a happy customer will only tell like 2 or 3 people that they had a good experience, right? So you want to, mitigate how many bad stories people have to tell about you.
Yeah. Yeah. Guess what? All of my friends know exactly what we buy. Because I'm like, yeah,
Right,
it's great. You should buy that too. Yeah, absolutely.
right, right. And you know what? I think that's a very good point. From a laundry perspective, right? What we do is very personal. People trust us with
Absolutely
their
is.
most
Yeah.
intimate things, right? And when we take care of those things, they will tell people about that. It may not come
Yeah.
up every day, it may not even come up once a month, but when something goes on where someone needs a laundry professional that will care about them in a very, intimate way, they will
Hmm.
they will tell them about that. And that goes a long way. We do a lot for people that sometimes we don't even really know, right? We help
Yeah.
people who are elderly, right? We help people's families when they're going through tough times. I had a lady who had had some surgery and didn't have any help. really needed her under things or her laundry done, which included her under things. And when the driver
Yeah.
got there, she didn't have the strength to get them ready. But she
Mm.
asked him, would he go in and just grab them for her? He didn't want to, but he did it, right? And
Yeah.
that person, that was only going to be a one-time situation for her, but we've had that customer now for over a year and a half. All
Oh
because of
my.
that
Yeah.
simple gesture of him going inside and doing something that no one else probably would do. And she absolutely needed it at that time.
Yeah. That's amazing. That's the stuff.
Hmm.
That is the
Yeah,
stuff that sets you apart every single
that's
time.
right.